Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Impulse. In this video, we will talk about the Adani Group crash. Okay, so yesterday Adani Group stocks lost almost 46,000 crores total. Okay, in combining all the 7 stocks that are listed in the stock exchange. So in this video, I will do the price action analysis of all the 7 stocks and show you where the next support level is, so that if you are already invested in Adani Group stocks, then you can add more units, or if you want to do a fresh investment, then you can enter at that support level, right? So let me take you to the screen. First, let me show you the news article. Okay, I will also share this news article in the description section. Okay, so you can read this. After the report came, Adani Group stock lost 46,000 market cap. Okay, there is another article which tells the same thing. I will leave both of the links in the description section. Now, as retail investors, if you are interested in Adani Group stocks, let's see where you can enter and let's see how much each stock has dropped. So the stocks dropped like some dropped around 1 to 2% and some stocks dropped around 8%. So let's see, let's check each and every one of them. Okay, so this is Adani Ports. Okay, so let's see how much it has dropped, minus 6.3%. Okay, so you can see this is the drop. So where is the next support level for Adani Ports? Let's take a big picture view and we can clearly see that the next support level is this one, 664, already marked. Okay, so when the price comes to this level, then you can add some units. Okay, but does not mean that it won't go down any further, but this is probably the next level of support, where after reaching this place, the stock might start showing some amount of upward trend. It might start. Okay, so for Adani Ports it is 664. Okay, sorry, 654. So 655 you can take. Okay, now let's go to the next one, and that is Adani Enterprise. Okay, so this is the daily time frame and let's see how much it has dropped, minus 1.5%. So this has dropped little bit less in comparison to Adani Ports. Okay, so in order to find the next support level, let's take a big picture view first. So in the big picture, the stock is still going strong. Okay, that's why it did not drop much. So if you open the 30 period moving average, you will see that it has slightly just broken below the 30 period moving average, but the 150 period moving average is far away. Okay, so the next probable support level could be the nearest one, that is 3126. Okay, this could be, let me mark, this is the number you can see in blue. This is the next level of support. Okay, you can note it down. Next, let's go to the other one, and this is Adani Power. So Adani Power has dropped almost 5%, minus 4.97% to be exact. Okay, so where is the next support level? Let's take a big picture view first. So seeing the chart, it looks like it could come down either to this level, 166, okay, which will be a big fall of almost 36% more, or else it could go sideways from here only. Okay, because the main reason being it has been continuously dropping. Okay, so when this happens, suddenly sometimes the stock starts going upward, the buyers come in and push the price upward. So that is another possible scenario. Okay, so the safe assumption will be this one, this level. Okay, 235, which is not far behind, so it should definitely hit this level. Okay, it should definitely hit this level, and if the price action is strong here, it might start going up, or if it is weak, then it will directly come down to this level. I am marking both of them, 165. Okay, so 238 and 165, these are the two levels for Adani Power, right? So let's go to the other one, that is Adani Green. So how much has Adani Green dropped? Let's see, minus 3%. Okay, and if you observe closely, it is already near the level of support. Okay, the recent support, which is this one, but there is a high probability that it could breach this level and go down and stop at this level, 1370. Let's see what the moving average tells us. Okay, so it is below the 30 period moving average, and the moving average has also started declining. Okay, so that is why the price action is weak here, and it could reach this level. There is a high probability of the stock reaching this level, that is 1400. Okay, so if it touches this level, then you can add some units if you are interested, and if you have done your homework on this stock. Okay, Adani Green Energy. Now let's move to the other one. This is Adani Wilmar, and this was listed recently. Recently means in year 2022 only. Okay, so this dropped around 5%, and it seems like it has already been dropping for a while. It dropped from 836 to 540 around, so almost 35% drop already. Okay, so where will be the support? Let's find out. I think this could be a good level where it could take support. Okay, 416. So only after the price shows some bullish action here, then only you make an entry. Okay, and you can also draw a trend line, because I can see a perfect scenario where a trend line can be drawn. Okay, so the price should start acting like this, and when it breaks with some huge volume, then only you enter at this level. Okay, the volume should be good enough. Let's check the volume as of now. So the volume is pretty low. You can see volume is pretty low, so lack of interest in the stock right now. So it's better, if you have not entered in Adani Wilmar, you better stay away from it as of now. Okay, no sign of strength. Okay, now let's move to the next one, that is Adani Transmission. So for Adani Transmission, the current price is 2517, and it dropped the highest 8.85%. Okay, and you can see it has been dropping for a while. It has already dropped 40 more, around 41%, which is a big fall. So this clearly tells us that the stock is weak at the moment, and the next level of support is this one. This is clearly visible, 1651. So this will be another 30% drop, and if it does not go that far, then it will definitely come to this place, 2000. Okay, so these are the two possible level of support. So you can note it down, 2000 and 1650. So the stock should definitely hit this level. Let's see in weekly. Yeah, in weekly you can see the moving average has sharply turned downwards here. Okay, and the stock is trading below the moving average, so definitely it is weak. It should touch this level easily, 2000 level, right? Okay, now next go to the last one, that is Adani Total Gas. So Adani Total Gas has dropped almost 6%. This is also a big fall. You can see the price was going up here, but the price action is weak, and suddenly it dropped big. So there is a high probability that in the next opening day, that is the next opening day, 27th, okay, it should drop sharply. Okay, if not, it should take one more day, and in the next week it might drop again. Okay, so if it starts dropping, then where it will stop, let's see, it could stop here, 3000, almost 3100 to 3200 level. Okay, let me mark this level. So this is the nearest level of support. So if it comes there, then it will be another 10 to 11%, 12% drop. Okay, which should be easy for this stock. Okay, but you must remember that this stock is actually going strong. Okay, you can draw a trend line also like this. This stock is actually going strong, so the possibility of drop is less. And there is also, okay, this has already touched 3600, so it should definitely, if it remains weak like this, then it will definitely come to this level, 3200. You can note down this level. Okay, so if you have watched so far and liked the analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such informative videos on various topics and various stocks, okay, and commodities, forex, everything, right? So that is all about Adani group crash. I have covered all the 7 stocks. Please note down the support and resistance level. If you have missed anything, then please go drag the cursor back and watch the replay of this video and note down the levels. Okay, and do not buy directly when the stock crashes just 2%, 5%. Immediately wait for it to touch any level of support, and then wait for the formation of some green candles with high volume, so that you will know that the buyers are actually entering at that place, and then only make an entry. Else, if you put a good amount of money at any level where there is no strength at all, no buying strength, then the price might start dropping even further, and again you will lose another chance. You won't be having any more capital to deploy when the price is even, when the stock is even cheap. Okay, so save capital and only deploy some percentage, like 25% or 30% of the total amount that you have planned to invest in any stock. Okay, so once again, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done already. I will meet you in the next one. Take care.